Standard 10, Subject Science and Technology, Part 2. Lesson number 1, Heredity and Evolution. Let us see the definition of heredity. Heredity is the transfer of biological character from one generation to another generation via gene. Biological character means height, color, shape of earlobe, etc. Now see the gene. Gene is the smallest segment of the DNA which control and regulate the character of the living organism. Now see what is the evolution. Evolution is the gradual change from simple to complex which occur in the living organisms over a long duration. For example, development of the whale or elephant from the amoeba. You know very well, whale and elephant are the complex living organism, and amoeba is a very simple unicellular living organism. So here whale and elephant complex living organism are developed from the very simple living organism amoeba. Another example you can see, banyan tree and flowering plants develops from a algae, and banyan tree and flowering plant are the very complex living organism which are developed from the algae. Algae is a simple unicellular living organism. John Gregor Mendel is pioneer of the modern genetics around the period of 1886. It took a long time for him to understand the conclusion of his research about the heredity. In 1901, the reason behind the sudden change were understood due to the mutational theory of Hugo de Vries. Mutation means any sudden change in living organism is called as the mutation. Let us see the example of mutation: sickle cell anemia due to substitution of amino acid, and cystic fibrosis due to deletion of chromosome. And mutation causes the genetic disorder and cancer. In 1902, Walter and Sutton observed the paired chromosome in the cells of grasshopper. In 1944, trio of the scientists Ostwald Avery, Maclean McCarthy, and Colin MacLeod proved that, except viruses, all living organisms have DNA as a genetic material. In 1961, a French biologist, Francois and Jacob and Jacques Monod, proposed a model for process of protein synthesis with the help of DNA in bacterial cells. It helped to uncover the genetic codes hidden in DNA. Thereby, the technique of recombinant DNA technology emerged, which has vast scope in the field of genetic engineering. Now let us see the application of sciences of heredity. The science of heredity is useful for diagnosis, treatment and prevention of hereditary disease and disorder, production of the hybrid varieties of animals and plants, and in industrial process in which different type of microbes are used. Now let us see the definition of transcription. Transcription is that process by which messenger RNA are formed from DNA. With the help of RNA, the genes present in the form of DNA participate in the functioning of the cell and thereby control the structure and functioning of the body. Information about protein synthesis is stored in the DNA, and synthesis of appropriate protein as per requirement is necessary for body. These proteins are synthesized by DNA through the RNA. This is called as central dogma of molecular biology. In this figure, you can see the messenger RNA are formed from the DNA. This process is called as the transcription, And now in the next step you can see the protein synthesis takes place with the help of the mRNA. This is called as the translation. This sequence is called as the central dogma of the molecular biology. Only one of the two strands of DNA is used in this process. The sequence of nucleotide in mRNA being produced is always complementary to the DNA strands used for synthesis. Besides, there is uracil in RNA instead of the thymine of the DNA. This process of RNA synthesis is called as transcription. Thank you.